Rahim. I am Mrs. Yasmin Iftikhar from Multan Public School and College. From chapter number 5, we are discussing about the Boyle's law. The Boyle's law belongs to the gases, are applicable on the gases. The gases has different properties, different temperature. At different temperature, the volume of the gas is different. When we increase the temperature, the volume of the gas increases, and when we decrease the temperature, the volume of the gas decreases. If we enclose an ideal gas in a container having volume V and has pressure P, the pressure and the volume is equal to the constant. This is known as Boyle's law. The definition of Boyle's law is the volume of the given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure provided the temperature remains constant. If we find out the expression of the Boyle's law, the volume is directly proportional to the pressure, where V is equal to K by P and K is the constant. The product of pressure and volume remains the same or constant. The second definition of Boyle's law is the volume and the product of the volume and the pressure is fixed for fixed mass of a gas at constant temperature. If the first pressure is P1 and volume is V1, then it remains the same. If the second pressure is P2 and volume is V2, then this is also equal to the constant. So both the equations are equal to the constant, and we can compare it as P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. The experimental verification of the Boyle's law is all the product of pressure and volume remains the same. If the pressure is 2 atm, the volume is 1 decimeter cube. If we increase the pressure by 4 atm, the volume decreases by 0.5 decimeter cube. If the pressure is again increases by 6 atm or atmospheric pressure, the volume become lesser as 0.33 decimeter cube. When we increase the pressure by 2 atm again, and it will become 8 atmospheric pressure, the volume becomes 0.25 decimeter cube. The product of all the pressure and the volume remains the same as 2 decimeter cube. This is the verification of Boyle's law, that the product of pressure and volume remains the same. Today's topic is completed. Thanks.